Hi, welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Today's recipe is Jeera Rasam. So let's begin with the recipe. With some water, I'm going to add in the washed dal, turmeric, few drops of ghee, chopped onions, garlic, red chilli and jeera. I'm going to close the lid. Put the pressure on. I'll allow this to cook. Cool down. Now I'm going to grind this into a smooth paste. Now the mixture is ready. I'm going to add in extra water, adjusting the consistency. To this, I'm going to add in tamarind extract, jaggery and salt to taste. While this is boiling, I can make the seasoning for this. For the seasoning, I am using ghee, some mustard and few curry leaves. Going to add in the seasoning. Our Jeera Rasam is ready to serve. Please do like, share and subscribe.